Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and let's choose the settings icon. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Defaults, and let's tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to restore camera default settings and if you want to click on OK. And that's all camera settings just got back to their default state. So that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.